Everybody, this is Toshi Yagi. I'm from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. I used a black and white film, then processed it, and that was inside of the Cadena base. Well, I'm gonna go for this image today. I made this image for digitize, and also I made that line image by Adobe Photoshop filter code find edges. And okay, now let's get in. I'm gonna add filter, then I'm gonna go for here to take that brush, watercolor, big one, watercolor, wash flat, then go for big, water flow 100%. Let's go for it. Okay, now find the color, maybe sky. Oops, this one goes to, okay. I'm in blend mode to go darken. Then maybe opacity is gonna be about 40% or so for this line image. Then take this layer off so I can see the color, and clear this layer first, then do it again. Okay. Let's dry it. Then I'm gonna put more yellow. I'm gonna try. Okay, I want to try on this line image. I'm going to duplicate, then going down to these colors, then convert to pixel layer, and I'm going to smudge this image before smudge that layer. I'm going to turn this one off so I only can see this for line image. Now I'm going to turn this one to smudge with let me see, soft chalk. Yeah, let's try on this. Now, oops, that's too big, huh? Maybe this much. Okay, maybe that'll work. Especially this grass area. I don't know what it looks like. I don't know, just leave it alone. Leave it alone and turn this one to just flow the water to soften up. Maybe I'm going to add the color. I'm going to add the layer over this. Then I'm going to paint it on tree, which is main subject. I'm going to copy this, duplicate layer, then this one is linear light. Thank you for watching video today. I really appreciate it for supporting, and I hope this is the one way to make a picture from photograph. Thank you so much, and see you guys next time. Bye now. Ciao.